Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah.
You ready to listen?
Yeah.
Okay, show me you're ready to listen. Show me your ears. Okay, show me your eyes. Okay, good job. All right, we're ready. You ready, Coach? All right. Good morning, Foxy Force.
Good morning.
All right. We are going to start by picking our name. So when I hold up your name, can you hold up your hand?
Yeah.
You ready? Is this your name?
No.
Okay, whose name is this?
Boom.
Hold up your hand if this is your name.
Boom.
Good job, Braylon. Hold up your hand if this is your name. Now put down your hand if it's no longer your name. Oh, what's her name? Laura? Hold up your hand if this is your name. Good job. Hold up your hand if this is your name. Hold up your hand if this is your name. Good. Hold up your hand if this is your name. Good job. Hold up your hand if this is your name. Good job. Okay, Foxy Force. Now, I'm going to say a sentence, and then you're going to say it. We're going to find the rhyme. Are you ready? Okay. First, I'll say the sentence, and then you say it. Ready? Zoom around the room.
Zoom around the room.
Zoom room.
Zoom room.
The card is on the floor of the yard. Wait, my turn, okay? Ready? The card is on the floor of the yard.
The card is on the floor of the yard.
Card, yard.
Yard. Yard.
The seeds grew weeds.
The seed grew weeds.
Seeds, weeds.
Seed weeds.
Twirl, my turn. Twirl and swirl the paint.
Twirl and swirl the paint.
Twirl, swirl.
Twirl, swirl.
Very good. You must eat the crust. You must eat the crust. Must crust.
Must crust.
Very good. We're going to move on to the next one, okay? Now, use your ears. Listen. We're going to break up some words, okay? All right, ready? First, I'll say a sentence. Then, guess who's going to say it?
Us.
You, that's right. Type the keys on the keyboard.
Type the keys on the keyboard.
Okay, now I'm going to put the word together. Keyboard, keyboard.
Keyboard.
Very good. Drive the car on the driveway. Driveway.
Driveway.
Boom. Wait and listen for me, okay? All right? You're doing great, but listen for Miss Dana first, okay? The children learn in the classroom at school. The children learn in the classroom at school. Classroom, classroom. Classroom, classroom.
This is our classroom.
It is our classroom. Your eyebrow is above your eye. Let's say that one more time. Your eyebrow is above your eye.
Your eyebrow is above your eye.
Eyebrow, eyebrow.
Eyebrow, eyebrow.
Very good. The bookmark saves your place in your book.
The bookmark
Saves your place in your book. Bookmark, bookmark. Bookmark, bookmark. Very good. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to, what? Snatch. We're going to snatch the sound. We're going to snatch the beginning sound first, okay? So where's our snatch going to be? Up here, right? Okay. The fat pig is in the bin. The fat pig is in the bin. The first word we're going to snatch is fat, okay? Ready? Fat. Okay, ready? Fat. Good. Okay. Now, we're going to snatch the sound. Ready? Okay. Ready? Do it. You do it now. Ready? Snatch the. Good. Okay. Pig. Okay. Ready? Pig. Ready? I heard Braylon. Pig. Good. Now we're going to snatch the p sound. Ready? Very good, Foxy Force. Okay, Kenna, turn around. Okay, the next word is, what was he in? The bin. Okay, so the last word is the bin. So what sound do you think we're going to snatch?
Ben.
We're going to snatch the bin. We're going to snatch the b. Ready? B. We're going to snatch the bin. B. In. B. In. Bin. Okay. Now, we're going to snatch the final sound in the next exercise, okay? So we'll snatch at the beginning or we'll snatch at the end. Where will we snatch? If we're snatching the final sound, where's that at? At the end, right? The end. Okay, the fat pig is in the bin. Okay, we're going to snatch the t out of fat. Okay, ready? Fat.
Fat.
Good. Now let's snatch the t. Fat. Good. Now, pig. Listen while I say it. Pig. Good. Now, pig.
Big.
Good. Now, bin. Ready? Bin. Bin. Excellent, Braylon. Okay. Now, yesterday we did the big black bug bit me, but today we're going to switch over and we're going to change it to garbage. You know, it could be called trash, but in this one it's called garbage because it has a g sound. Garbage. Can you say garbage?
Garbage.
Now we're going to say grabbing garbage grumpily. Can you make a grumpy face? Okay, ready? Help me. It says Gary gathered the garbage grumpily. Oh, very good. Now, let's repeat it. Gary gathered the garbage grumpily. Gathered garbage grumpily. Now, let's make that sound. G, g, g. Very good. Did you hear that sound? All right. Good job, Foxy Force. We're all done.